Do you want to go and do a cruise? Do you want to go and do a cruise? People's over there, they doing cruise. Do you want to go and do a cruise? Yes, I want to go and cruise with you. So, oh yes, can we go do a cruise? Cruising over here around the world. Some people just cruising with your girl. Girls are cruising just with the man. Other people say they understand. Do you want to go and do a cruise? Do you want to go and do a cruise? Do you want to go and do a cruise? Yes, I say I wanna do a cruise. If I do a cruise over here today, do you wanna cruise over here my way? You can bring your whole family up on that cruise like every day. Do you want to go and do a cruise? People say I wanna do a cruise. Yes, I seen the people doing cruise. When I say I wanna do a cruise, when I do a cruise, I get my eat. Eat on when I up on the cruise. People looking at that water though, so they had that therapy for show. Vibing out there with that energy. Every time I see you here with me, but you over here, they're gonna do a cruise. You can do a cruise is what we do. Do you want to go and do a cruise? Do you really want to do a cruise? Do you want to go and do a cruise? Do you want to go and do a cruise? Everybody doing a cruise with me. Yes, I'm over here, I'm on the beach. Do you want to go and do a cruise? When I say I'm here to do a cruise. When I see the people every day doing a cruise over here, they do their way. Then they have a place they gonna stay. When they on a cruise like every day. Some people gonna do like 4-day cruise. Some people gonna do that 7-day cruise. Some are one that like that 14 days. Over here just getting in the way. Chilling on that water on the cruise. When I sing it up, I'm on the cruise. Everybody say I'm on the cruise. Will you wanna go and cruise with whom? Do you want to go and do a cruise? Do you want to go and join the cruise? Do you want to go and do a cruise? Yes, I want to go and do a cruise. Cruising over just to see the world. Yes, I want to go and see the world. See the world just with for all my friends. Yeah, we cruising and we understand. Gonna party up on the cruise. Also eating that food that's on the cruise. Chilling over there that's in the cruise. While I work out when I'm on the cruise. Do you want to go and cruise? People say no, do you want to cruise? Yes, I say I know I want to cruise. When I say, oh yes, I want to cruise. Do you really want to go and cruise? I say I do want to go and cruise. Cruising over here to for my bike. wanna cruise and get a ride. They got so many to cruise to do. Pick that cruise that you just like to do. Love the cruise and also pick one too. When we gonna join it on a cruise? Some people they like the MSG, others like that Carnival on D, other ones that like that Margaritaville, Virgin Island, oh that is a real. Do you really want to go and cruise? Do you really want to go and cruise? You can go and cruise jet with the crew. Yes, I'm over here, I'm on my cruise. Do you want to go and cruise? Do you want to go and cruise? Do you want to go and cruise? Do you want to cruise the devil who? You can come and go and cruise with me. Some people can bring their family. Do you want to go and do a cruise? Yes, I say I wanna do a cruise. Yes, I say I wanna do a cruise. Yes, I say I